Hello turtles, we are here today to teach you how to mint correctly on our page, on our mint.madturtles.com page. You can listen to music also on our site, so it's working correctly. You do something wrong, but today we will fix that. As you can see, we have this only 1716 left, and also the next 1000 will be priced at 7 matic. So maybe you want to grab at 50 matic, and I'm here to teach you how to mint at that price, because I don't know, maybe we will start to make good ads, and maybe this supply will go fast. So you come to mint.madturtles.com. Let's refresh the page, and as you can see, I have here my options to connect the wallet, because this will be the first time when you will come here. This will be pop up, and I will go with this account. So I will go and I will connect my wallet. And now my wallet is connected to this page, but as you can see here, it's not entirely connected, so you need to hit also this connect button and you are done. Make sure you have the right letters and numbers as your address from your wallet, and also make sure you are connected. Need to be here the connected thing, the green one, and you are ready to go. But to be sure, let's reload the page again. As you can see, we are not connected, we are on the same wallet, and I will hit again connected. So boom, we are in, we are ready to mint. But don't mint, because here it's 1, but it's not 1 because it's gray, so you need to put a value here. Now it's black, as you can see. If I will delete this, will be 1, but it's not 1. You understand the point, because you need to fill your amount of desired minting here. So let's go with 2, and now we can start to mint. Okay, so I don't have 100 matic here on my account, as you can see. Okay, let's switch fast to our and let's close this because we don't have. So reject all the time, reject. If you don't have money, or if you don't have something like that, don't go and mint, because it's not good. I think it's not possible either. You don't have insufficient funds, so you can't mint. Okay, reject. Good. It's a good plan. Reject all the time when you are not sure. Let's go to our main account, and as you can see, we have the same thing. I can reload the page, and I will connect my wallet. Is the same because I know that it's BAP, my account from here. So I will try to mint the same 2, and I will go to mint right now. And as you can see, we have here this thing. This is the most important thing ever. Need to go here on edit. Okay, as you can see, size suggested and no time processing, and go here on edit. Go here, edit suggest gas fee, and put on high. As you can see, very likely in 50 seconds. It's so easy. If you save this, you will see this transaction will be very likely succeed in 50 seconds, and you just need to confirm now and wait your minting. It's so easy. I rejected. I have this error because I don't confirm that minting, but you have all you need now. I think this will be so easy for you to do the minting, and see you on Discord.